In today's episode, I'm going to be making Puliyogare rice, or also known as tamarind rice. On auspicious occasions, this is served in temples in South India, but of course, there's no reason why we can't make it at home and enjoy it. So let's see the recipe. First, I'm going to start with making the Puliogare Masala, but you also get it ready-made. But why not just make it at home? So let's see the recipe for that. Heat a little bit of oil, around a teaspoon. Into this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gram dal or chana dal. Let it roast for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Make sure you follow this order because each ingredient has its own cooking time. Next, I'm going to add in 4 Kashmiri chilies. Also, I'm going to add 2 of the spicy kinds or whichever ones that you have at home because Kashmiri chilies are not too spicy. Next, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds. Let's fry all of these spices in the masala for a few seconds. Next, let's add in 1.5 teaspoon of black sesame seeds and also a teaspoon of Asafoetida. Cook these ingredients till the chana dal or the gram dal changes color and it's nicely toasted. The gram dal is nicely toasted. I'm going to turn off the flame, let it cool down completely and then grind it into a smooth powder. Let's start with making the rice now. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, into this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chana dal or gram dal. Fry this properly. With this, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of urad dal. Let these dals fry on low heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, once the urad dal tends to catch a little color, into this I'm going to add in half a cup of peanuts. Let's fry these as well. Frying these peanuts and the dals is going to take a few minutes, so don't be in a hurry and do not increase the flame, otherwise they're going to taste raw. So patiently let them catch color. And now into this I'm also going to add 2 of the spicy red chillies. Just fry them for a few seconds. Next, let's add in a few curry leaves. Next, 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. And half a cup of water. The masala is ground and ready. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. You can also make this masala and store it in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 months. A tablespoon of jaggery. Let all these ingredients cook in the water nicely. Make sure the jaggery melts. Once the water is dried out a bit, into this I'm going to add salt. Just add enough for the rice as well. And now, let's toss the rice in. I have half a cup of rice that I've boiled. The rice is ready and now time to plate. With this recipe, you can get the flavors of South India in your kitchen. Carry it for lunch, tiffin, or whenever you want to enjoy it. I definitely recommend this recipe, so do give this a try. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.